Hey guys, welcome to my vlog again. So recently something happened which I wanted to share with all of you guys, which is very important. I feel like everyone like me is doing something wrong with this context. Recently one of my, I would say the best friend, family member uh, had a heart attack. He is just like 38 years or 39 years, having two kids, super enthusiastic about the work, super duper work alcoholic, used to work late nights, favorite of his bosses, and a super employee for the organization. With all these good things, his recognition in the company, his work, his peers, so all other things basically, what he has achieved in life, a heart attack, which is a harsh reality of the corporate world today, I'm telling you. I went there yesterday to see him in hospital, and his company's owner was also there. I met him. He consoled him, told him that boss, okay, take a 1 month off and then come back, and don't take up a pressure on the mind. So that's a good part. I mean, as a leader, he's supporting him, doing everything for him, and I really respect him for, like, even a person like a company owner is coming to see him. So that's really good part actually. And that's really show the good. I mean, what kind of leader he is. So full marks for him. But the issue is, my friend, my brother, has not taken the science very seriously. When that person is working hard in late nights, having a sleepless nights, changing their sleep cycles, was really impacting his health. And I'm not blaming only this thing, there are other things as well. Our food patterns, what we eat outside, how we drink, all the kind of things. So we cannot blame only corporate thing, but not doing any physical exercises, only just get stuck with your work and making sure that your bosses are happy or your peers are happy, your company grows, is definitely an issue there. I really don't know when we all going to think about ourselves first. In India, the major issue is the money. When we were growing up, we always have a dream that we're gonna have our own car, one house, wife, children, a settled life basically, right? And many people get it from the family background because they have a good back. But at many times, people have to earn from the base. They have to do everything from their own because there was no family support and all. And I really feel that, and that's okay. I mean, money is really important for us, but what I don't understand that while earning the money, while going into this process, we just get lost. Once we achieve our dreams, once we see that, okay, I have my own house, things settle down, everything is okay, then we start aspiration about the other things. And aspiration is really a good thing. We should aspire about the things, then only you can achieve. But on what sake? On the sake of our health, really? I was literally one of that. Yes, I was, but not now. Last year, 2024, December, I don't know what, but something stuck into my mind. I started doing the gym regularly. Initially, I started with like 5 days. Then slowly and gradually, I found that my body is not supporting 5 days. Then I reduced to 4 days. But since then, not even a single week I have missed. I'm doing a regular 4 days gym, and it's not that I have to do any bodybuilding or no. What I'm trying to do is making myself healthy. And again, look, these kind of things can come. You cannot predict that. But at least what I'm trying to do for myself, for my health, at least these precautionary things, the physical movements I'm doing. And why I started it? Because my body started giving me the signs. What kind of signs? Mental stress, anxiety, irregular body pains. When I get it tested, nothing was there. At many times in my work, I do have a lot of pressurized kind of situations. So what I do generally is I go to the gym, just run on the treadmill, and believe me, this really works for me. When a season goes into your mind, so when you start doing the physical activity, your stress level goes down. When it goes down, automatically my blood pressure, my other things which is associated with all these things, the risk goes down. Look, I'm not a trainer here. I'm not no one. I'm just sharing it so that people should be aware that what are the consequences we're gonna have, or what they're going to leave behind if something happens to them. Bosses, companies, organization success, your personal success, everything matters. I do believe in that, but not on the sake of our health. Live 5 days, live 6 days, live 7 days. 1 hour, 4 days in a week is more than sufficient to make you healthy, I'm telling you. I seriously feel very bad when I hear about these things. And I hope you guys also feel the same way. Whenever we hear something like this, so any critical disease that happens to your near ones and dear ones, your mind suddenly start working and you just start doing the gym, some physical activities or something like this, right? But that particular thing goes away within weeks. We should not be triggered by the information from someone. It should come from yourself. If you have a kids, look at your kids. Do they want you or not in long term? If they want you, do something for yourself. I was like that, but I'm not like that now, very honestly. But it's all upon you guys. Now it's all personal choice how we want to live, whether healthy, non-healthy. Anything can happen in today's world to anyone. That's unpredictable. But without taking any precautionary things, you cannot complain. So I'll just stop here, but I wish everyone will listen and do some physical activities along with the corporate. Things will come, things will go, but don't let your family struggle because of this. So stay healthy, stay wealthy.